Okay, let's look at 33. If one of the integer removed from the first n consecutive integers, one of the integer removed from the first n consecutive integer 1 to n, the resulting average of the remaining integer is 252 over 13. Find this particular n, find n, right? Okay, therefore, can I say that I let k be the removed integer. That means this integer k is removed. Remove integer. And obviously, your k has to be between 1 and n. 1 and n. Therefore, and we know that the sum, if you look at the sum from 1 to n, the sum is actually n times n plus 1 divided by 2. That is the sum. That means in this case, if you sum them up, you will get if you look at the sum is actually this one. The sum is actually this one, right? And minus k. Minus k. And what does it say? Don't forget, this average is coming from where? It's coming from the remaining n minus 1 integer. Therefore, this should be just equal to 252 over 13 multiplied by n minus 1. Agree? Because after you remove k, there is only n minus 1 integer left. Right? Therefore, what does it mean? Can you see that when you and take note, this is obviously an integer, right? This is an integer because you know why? This part is an integer, this is an integer, therefore the whole thing here is an integer. And in order for this to be an integer, if you look at it this way, isn't that your 13 must be a divisor of n minus 1? Therefore, in this case, we conclude that n minus 1 is divisible. Divisible by 13. Can you see that? Right. Then in this case, can we do a checking? Can we do a checking? That means okay. You can. Okay. Therefore, maybe in this case, n minus 1. If n minus 1 is divisible by 13, I can say that this is equal to 13. But I think this is a bit too small, right? Impossible. Therefore, we check. We look at n minus 1 equal to 26. Right? Then if your n minus 1, okay, this is too small, therefore I don't check. And now the next number that I look at is n minus 1 is actually 26. Because 26 is a multiple of 13. Right? And in this case, what do you get? Can you see that? n minus 1 equal to 26. That means in this case, you will get what? You will get left hand side. Can you see that left hand side is actually 26 multiplied by 27 divided by 2 and then minus k. And then minus k. And what you get is 351 minus k. 351 minus k. Then if you look at the right hand side, the right hand side is actually 525. 525 over 13 over multiplied by 26. Right, and can you see that it is actually a value that is more than 1000? You get 1050. And this this is not equal to left hand side. Therefore, in this case, this one failed. This one failed again. Right? Therefore, now we check the next one. We check that what happened if your n minus 26 is actually equal to you can check 39 all the way, right? Therefore, maybe in this case now, sorry, not 26. It is actually minus 13. Or can I say that minus 1? Sorry. Can I say that if you check all the way until 78, 78, that means now what do you get? Your left hand side is basically okay. Okay, did I do wrongly? Okay, class, I think this part here, this is 26. That means your n is actually 27, right? Your n is actually 27. Then your n plus 1. Okay, this would be 27. Okay, therefore let me adjust a bit. Maybe this part here I did wrongly. This part here it should be 27, and then this is 28. Am I right? Because your n is actually 27. All right, then let me check. Just to confirm the value, yeah. That means 27 times 28, I don't think is 351. Therefore, I think I computed wrongly. 27 times 28. I think this part here, can I correct this? Can I just correct this so that I don't give you the wrong solution? This is 756. But anyway, this value is not equal to 1050. Right? Yeah. Therefore, I think the result is still correct. Okay. Then can you see that now your when your n minus 1 is equal to 78, therefore n must be 79. Therefore, the left hand side is 79 multiplied by 80, and then divided by 2, and then minus k. Minus k. Right? And that will be just equal to what? That will be 3160 minus k. Therefore, if you look at the right hand side, that will be 525 over 13, and then multiplied by 78. And that will be just equal to 3150. Therefore, what do you think is the value of k? It means if you want to have 3160 minus k equal to 3150, that means your k has to be 10. Your k has to be 10. Therefore, it's quite a nice question. And in this case, they never ask for this integer that is removed. They ask for n. Therefore, your n is actually 79. Quite a nice question. But I think you have to test quite a fair bit. That means you start from 26 and then you go all the way to 78. Then you can get the correct answer. Okay, with that, I stop here.